What's this? There's something in my tire and my tire's gone flat? Oh, makes for an awful day. Don't worry, I have a tire patch kit. First thing you gotta do is jack up the tire, take the tire off, locate where this thing is embedded in your tire, pull the thing out of your tire, use a little bore punch to bore out the hole, put the patch in, make sure the patch is at the correct level, and pull out the tool. Now we see that the patch is in place. Check your tire for the recommended PSI, and then properly inflate. And then put your wheel back on, and you are done.
Yay, thank you, Tire Patch Kit.
Now let's see how difficult it really was to patch this tire. So I figure out which one is which, huh? You got it?
Okay, is it the biggest one?
That's the problem, is trying to figure out which one is which, huh?
Yep.
Well, you have 4 choices. Ah, you got it.
Ding, 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 we got a winner.
All right.
Stool.
Yeah, the stool.
Yeah, I'll just use this to lean on. Easier.
All right.
So you're gonna lift it up.
Sounds good.
Ooh. Yeah.
Go ahead and point to it. See if you can wedge it out with that, or if we need to get a little Phillips head and see if we can actually unscrew it. Kind of dug in there, huh?
Yep.
Is it frustrating?
Oh, it ain't too bad. I just can't get it.
Whatever. Alright, so now we're using a little screwdriver.
Might still be too small, but we'll see.
It's the biggest one we got. Come on, you can do it.
Well, I was thinking a vice clamp of some kind, like a, you know, where you adjust it and clamp down on it, and then I could twist that.
We're gonna use a little vice clamp thing so we can get it out. Maybe we can wedge it out with that screwdriver and get it onto that top. Don't stab yourself. So it's really easy, huh?
Oh yeah, it's just like the TV commercial.
Yeah. That's what we need to do, is make a little TV commercial out of this. Always show how easy it is to pull these damn things out and make it work, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is real life, folks. It's a pain in the bum. So it actually punctures all the way through. This patch kit will fix this up no problem. So what you're going to do is use this little screw thing, and you're going to make the hole actually bigger. Into that hole to make it bigger, make it, you're going to push it down, and you can twist it, I suppose. Just whatever it takes to get that thing in the hole.
I think I'm in there.
Okay, now yank that fucker out. There you go. Now do it again. So I want to make that, we won't be able to just plunge it in and out to make it big enough. There you go. Now plunge that in and out. Yeah, keep on doing that. Because this thing over here, we got to punch this through with a patch. So we need to make sure that it's at least that big. And so now you're going to use this and this to patch the hole.
Okay.
So first things first, grab one of these patches in here. It's kind of sticky. Just peel one of them out. Okay, we're just going to put this off to the side. Now we're going to put this through that punch.
Just feed it through.
Just feed it through so it's even on both sides. And see, there's a hole, or you can see that it actually, there's a slit right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to punch that through this hole. We're also going to put some of this rubber cement in, and then when you push it all the way in, you're going to pull it out tight quickly, and that will pull the rubber thing through that. and leave the tire patch inside. That make sense?
I think so.
Okay, so now it's halfway even, so now we're going to use this rubber cement, and we're going to put rubber cement on all of it. Just got your finger. All right, yeah, we're shoving it all the way in until a little bit of it is still out. So kind of halfway through.
I can't get it in. I just can't, dude.
All right, you know what that means? That you need to, where's that punch thing? There it goes.
I mean, I've...
Use that and punch a little bit more.
Where is it?
Can't find the hole? There you go. Remember, we want a little bit of it to be on the outside still. What'd you say? Say again?
So I love...
No. Say what you just said.
So I very much dislike doing this kind of stuff.
But it looked easy on TV, didn't it?
Yeah, sure did.
You're sweating. All right.
Dude, I just don't have the strength to do this.
All right, so it is difficult to do such a thing. So where's your plunger thing? There it is. So sometimes it's difficult to make this plunge. So let's go ahead and try this some more. There. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a smaller patch because we have different sized patches here. So we're going to do a smaller patch right here. These are really sticky. And of course, they're the one-time use. We're going to stick it through here. And then we're going to put some rubber cement on. The rubber cement will definitely help seal the deal. However, you don't need the rubber cement to actually make this stick because of the way this is already sticky. But the rubber cement does two different things actually. It actually makes it easy to slide through the hole, and it actually will seriously patch the hole. All right, let's put this thing through. We wanted to go almost through like that. See how you have a little bit of the rubber thing on both sides? You can see the top of it. You see the top? Mm-hmm. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull this really fast, and that will pull this out and leave that in. So there, you can actually see the both sides of the rubber patch.
Oh, okay.
So now we're going to let this sit here for 5-10 minutes. We're going to pump up the air pump right over here. We're going to fill that up with air, and we'll be able to put this thing back on just in a couple minutes.
Okay.
So we came inside because that air pump is really loud and annoying. So when we fill up the tire, we're going to use noise canceling headsets, both of us. And while we're waiting, we're trying to eat something good, delicious, bananas and watermelon, staying healthy as we can. Look on the sidewall here, and it says at 51 pounds max for this. And then we're going to top this booger off.
All right, we're at acclimated temperature right now, right? Like, or whatever the temperatures are without being on the road. But as soon as I hit 100-degree roadway, they're going to expand another 2 to 4 pounds of pressure, because they always do. Well, I don't want to be at max pressure in the summer. I do agree they probably do need to be higher, but I'm thinking like 45, 46.
Okay, let's do 45 or 46.
All right, let's do that.
All right, let's go do that.
Yay, thank you, Tire Patch Kit.